I'm Lakshmi Prasanna, studying in Royal Education Institute, studying BSc Agriculture. Scope of agriculture nowadays is increasing, and most of the farmers are uneducated and following old techniques of farming. Educating the farmers with the new techniques of farming and giving them hybrid varieties of seeds for farming. And instead of following monocropping, there should be a practice of crop rotations and intercropping. This will lead to the additional income for the farmers, and land productivity and agriculture productivity will increase by green manures and organic manures and additional legume crops. And taking BSc Agriculture in your life is the best career option.
I'm Lohit. I'm studying agriculture basic course. As agriculture is the basic of human life, I choose it. In our institute, we are studying the best agriculture course. Our institute and our institute members are very helpful to the rural agriculture farmers. Our institute, we are learning the best agriculture course by the best faculty. Our institution camps, programs and seminars which are conducting in villages are very helpful to the students and as well as farmers. The local problems are solved by our institutes by many techniques and solutions. The agriculture knowledge is very helpful to the present and future farmers which are provided to our students. The practical and theoretical knowledge also provided to our students which is helpful to them in a better way. The choice of agriculture in your life is the best career option you have decided.
I am Vibindu, student of Royal Educational Institute studying BSc Agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. Most of the population depends on agriculture in India. By studying agriculture, we can implement new and modern techniques and early cultivation, less cost, to ensure the better life to the farmers. Many opportunities in agriculture, banking sectors, multinational prestige companies and banking sectors. Our college and our course just like learning and doing. Taking basic agriculture in your life, better choice.
I am Shiva, student of the Royal Educational Institute. In India, most of the farmers are uneducated. They don't know how to cultivate the crops. They are always practicing the monocrop. Due to the monocropping, there are many disadvantages, but there is no advantages due to the monocropping. I am suggesting that they have to follow the crop rotation to increase the yield and their economic levels. Some of the legume crops have to follow to increase the nitrogen fixation. Just like example, the sun hemp, pillipestra, the hincha, etc. So, due to the following of the legume crop, the nitrogen fixation in the soil takes place. And just like intercropping to improve the yield and their economic levels. Monocropping is most dangerous. The monocropping practice lands become hardy in nature. They are unuseful for the crops for the next generation. So that land is not used for the next crops. It is become unfertility for the next crops. So farmers have to follow the crop rotation to increase their yield at final level.
I am Ramya, student of Royal Educational Institute studying BSc Agriculture. Basically, degree is a normal degree and agriculture is a professional course. In our course curriculum, we are practically learning about crop production as well as crop protection. Entrepreneurial skills are also developed by this course. An agriculture graduate will provide food security in the nation. By studying agriculture, we get many opportunities like AEO, AAEO, and bank jobs like field officers, etc. So by choosing BSc Agriculture in your career is a best career option.
I am Sharif Ali, student of Royal Agriculture Institution. Now I am going to say about the importance of selecting BSc Agriculture as your future. BSc Agriculture has a great future with many advantages. Students from village background and rural background has an idea about agriculture, so studying about BSc Agriculture can improve their lifestyle and improve their family background, and the interest of a student can mold his life in many ways. By his interest, he can become a scientist or an agriculture officer or a sales developer in many ways in pesticide department and also in other multinational companies. This is my suggestion is that choose BSc Agriculture as your future and work hard for it.